This one you keep me mood for days and the following talk, you know they answer me. Now you pack your things. Which one is for your own good? What are you doing?
Leave me, let me go.
Stop this thing. I don't like it. I don't like it. I thought you can settle this. We'll finish.
Settle what? How?
You can settle.
I don't understand, Precious. Why would you claim to love someone and the person is like hell-bent on you being with him? He's begging you with everything in him, asking you to calm down. Let's at least know if we will sort this out. I'm not saying you guys should marry or I'm not in support of the marriage, but at least cool down. You're just acting up like as if you didn't even love this guy for once. May you cool down now. This guy has been begging you, asking you to chill, that he loves you so much that if you truly love someone, you don't let go easily. Never. At least you will try to fight for the love. Haba.
What are you doing? You are not going anywhere. You are not. What's wrong with you now? Let's settle this thing now.
Leave me!
Let's settle this thing, please. Don't go. Okay, I'm sorry. Just keep your things back to the list. Keep it back here. Please. Keep it back. Please. Don't go.
What kind of problem? What is there that you don't understand? We are not good. We cannot marry.
This one are typical somehow food but cannot eat. So many girls out there are so lucky when it comes to love. Like, they get man who love them so much that can go to any length to prove their love for them. Unfortunately for such girls, they are not lucky when it comes to them loving the man back. My own is Precious seriously need to calm down. Everything no be gra gra. It don't be say it don't be. At least calm down. Let you guys sort things out easily. Please.